Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, BJ Special. Please, if you just clicked on this video, give this video a massive and a huge thumbs up. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your powdered custard, okay? I am also going to show you how you can prepare it for your family consumption, for breakfast or for dinner, okay? So if this is a video you're interested in watching, please keep watching this video. So guys, let's dive into the video, okay? Here are all the ingredients I'll be using to make this homemade powdered custard, okay? So guys, right here I have 1 cup of corn flour. You can as well call it corn starch. I have my peak milk. You can use more than this if you choose to. Then I have my banana flavor. You can use vanilla flavor or any flavor of your choice. Then I have egg yellow, okay? For all the ingredients, the measurements I use in this recipe, I'm going to leave them in the description box for easy access, okay? So please make sure you sieve your corn flour. I've already sieved my corn flour. I did that outside camera. So make sure you sieve your corn flour, okay? To remove things that are not needed inside the flour, okay? So right here I have the banana flavor. I'm going to be using half tablespoon of this banana flavor. If you're not a fan of banana flavor, please you can use any flavor of your choice for this powdered custard, okay? So this is egg yellow. This is the particular flavor that makes the powdered custard to be yellow in color. So if you don't want your custard to be too yellow, you can reduce the egg yellow, okay? Then if you want it to be shouty in color, you can add more of it, okay? So guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank you all for always supporting me. I want to thank you for your thumbs up, for sharing my video. I really want to appreciate you. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel and you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel, okay? As we have amazing recipes to share with you guys, okay? Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will always be the first to get notified each time we post a new video, okay? So guys, continue mixing everything together so that they will marry one another and combine very well. At this point, you can as well sieve it so that everything will be well combined, okay? you're not going to consume all at once, you can store this in an airtight container, okay? It can stay as long as 2 to 3 months without having any issue, okay? So right here, let's test the powdered custard and see what the outcome will be like, okay? I'm using room temperature water to dissolve this powdered custard, okay? So here we are. Let's go. Let's see what we have here, okay? Make sure your water is not too hot, okay? So that you will not end up having a running custard, okay? As you can see, the custard is ready, okay? You can serve this with bread, you can serve it with cake or maybe puff puff. You can serve it with anything you feel like serving it with, okay? This can serve as a breakfast or maybe as a dinner, okay? A powdered homemade custard is ready, okay? Save some money making this for yourself and for your family, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video till this point, okay? The custard came out fine and it is looking good. At this point, you can add some milk and sugar or maybe honey and serve to your loved ones. Save some money. Stop buying everything in the store. You can make this for yourself. You can do this, okay? In this channel, we make baking, cooking and everything easy. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.